Welcome to Venkateswara Academy, Nandyal. This is Balachandrudu, Arithmetic and Reasoning faculty from Nandyal. Okay. Today we are discussing about a topic of percentages. Okay. Percentages is the most important topic in aptitude. Okay. All the chapters are depending upon percentages. Why? Because this is the key for the total aptitude. Okay. Today we are discussing about a topic of percentages. Topic of percentages. First of all, what is the meaning of percentage? What is the meaning of percentage? This is the percent. Okay, percent. What is the meaning of cent? That is 100. What is the meaning of cent? That is 100. Okay. Suppose a batsman scored 100 runs. Suppose a batsman scored 100 runs. What we call? He makes a one century. Okay, that is a century. Cent means 100. Okay, per. I am getting a 20,000 rupees per year. That means every year he gets a 20,000. Per means depending upon. Okay, per means depending upon. Per means depends. It is cent. Suppose I got 5%. 5%. What is the symbol of percentage? Symbol of percentage is this. I got 5%. 5 per means division. Cent means 100. Okay. 5%. 5%. This is the meaning of a percentage. Okay. This is the symbol for a percentage. Symbol for a percentage. Okay. What is the value of percent only? What is the value of percent? Okay. What is the value of percent? Suppose look at here. 5% is equal to 5 by 100. It is a 5 and this is a 5. For the sake of percentage symbol, what is the extra value? That is 1 by 100. That is 1 by 100. Whenever the percentage is there in the question, with the replacing of percentage, we have to insert 1 by 100. Percentage place lo manam em insert cheyalana 1 by 100. Okay na? Percentage ante meaning enti 1 by 100. Inkoka meaning. What is percent? Suppose this is the tank. Suppose this is one of the tank or a jar. This is total, we call it as 100%. Always we are comparing a percentage with a total of cent, that is 100. Now this is the total percent. 100% tank is there. What is the percentage of water? That is 50%. 50% water is there in the tank. 50% means 50 out of 100. That is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. That is half of the tank is full. Half. This is 1 by 2 means fraction. 1 by 2 is a fraction. Okay. 1 by 2 is a fraction. That means percentages are converted into a fractions, or else fractions are converted into a percentages. The main thing, what is the percent mean? It is a part. It is a part. Total, we are considering a total jar into a single part. One part. Now one part, it is equally divided into two parts. Okay. Now the total part divided into two parts. One of the part is filled with a water, like that. Okay. Percent is also nothing but a fraction, or else it is a part in a sum. Suppose 100% is there, it is a full part. Less than 100, it is a part in the total quantity, like that. Okay. From percentage to fractions, from fractions to percentages, conversions are there in this one. Okay. With the help of a sometimes with the help of percentages we can do easily, sometimes with the help of fractions we can do easily in a questions. That's why first of all we are going to teaching about percentage to fraction conversion, fraction to percentage conversion. Okay. For suppose 100% is there, 100%, okay, 100% means 100 percentage symbol means by 100, that is 1, that is 1, 1 means 1 by 1, 1 by 1 also same, 1 by 1 means full part, it is not a part, it is a full and enta nana 100%. Now for suppose 1 means 100%, that is 1 by 1 is equal to 100%, okay. Now 50%, how can we write 50 for the percent, it is 100, that is 1 by 2, okay. From 50% this is converted into a 1 by 2, 100% to 1 by 1, that is 100% is a percentage, this is a fraction. Now, what is this conversion? Percentage to fraction, percentage to fraction. Now 1%, 1 is equal to 100, in the 1 it is a fraction. Now fraction to percentage we can multiply with a 100, okay, multiply with a 100. Look at here, from 100% to this one, division with 100, here it is into with 100. Now I am taking a fraction as 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is a fraction. Now we have to convert into a percentage, that is 1 by 2 into 100, that is 50%, okay. Fraction to percentage, fraction to percentage means converting into 100, from percentage to fraction divide with 100, some of the useful formulas we can write here, okay. First one, what is 1 by 1, what is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 9, 1 by 10, 1 by 11, 1 by 12, like that. Now these are all the fractions. Now fractions converted into a percentage. What we can do? Into 100. 1 by 1 into 100, that is 100%. 1 by 2, 100, 50%. 1 by 3 into 100. Look at here, that is 100 by 3, that is 33 1 by 3%. 33 1 by 3%, like that, same. 1 by 4 into 100, that is 25%. 1 by 5 into 100, that is 20%. 1 by 6 into 100, 16, 2 by 3%. 1 by 7 means 14, 2 by 7%. Next 1 by 8 means 12, 1 by 2%. 1 by 9 means 11, 1 by 9%. 1 by 10 means exactly 10%. 1 by 11 means 9, 1 by 11. 1 by 12, that is 8, 4 by 12, that is 4 ones, 4 threes, that is 8, 1 by 3%, like that. With the help of these fractions we can do the problems in a easy way. Suppose find 33 1 by 3% of 200. 33 1 by 3% of 200. We can replace 33 1 by 3 with 1 by 3. Okay. Now question. Find 20% of 500. Suppose the question giving like this, 20% of 500. First of all we can do, that is 20 with the percentage means by 100. What is the meaning of into? What is the value? 500. That is 20 into 500. Like that we have to do. It is the basic method. First 20 for the sake of percentage, for sake of and number 500. Now with the help of fractions, what is the equivalent fraction for a 20% equivalent fraction? That is 1 by 5 of means into, that is 500. What is the value? 100. What is the value? 100. This is the easy method. Suppose 20% is not a problem. Whenever, now look at here. Find 33 1/3% of 90. Like that question came. Find the 33 1/3% of 90. What can we do first? 33 1/3 by 100 into 90. We can do like this. 33 1/3 is a mixed fraction. First of all we can convert into a improper fraction. That is 33 into 3 99 plus 1 100. 100 by 3 by 100 into 90. Once 1. Get cancel. Next 100 by 3 into 10 to 9. 0 0. 3 ones, 3 threes. That is 30. That is 30. Without this one, without percentage, we can convert into a fraction. What is the equivalent fraction for a 33 1/3%? Already we seen. That is 1/3. 1/3 of, that is 90. 3 ones, 3 zeros. 30 is the answer. Okay. Whenever 20 is exactly cancelled with 100. That is not a problem. Suppose like that, 33 1/3% of 90 came. 33 1/3 is not exactly cancelled with 100. That time we can move into a fraction. With the help of a fraction we can do easily. Okay now. Next. For suppose, find the 28 4/7% of 700. 28 4/7% of 700. Look at here. This is the mixed fraction. With the help of mixed fraction we cannot do easily. Okay. First thing it is. What is the base here? That is 7. Already we seen with the denominator 7 1%. What is the percentage? That is 14 2/7%. 14 2/7% is equal to, equivalent fraction is 1/7. Now 2 into 2 4, 14 into 2 28. Now the total percentage converted into 28 4/7% is equal to 2/7. Now we can do easily. That is 2/7 of means into 700. What is the answer? 200. Like that we can do in the examination. Okay. Next. Next model. 20 is how much percent in 50? Okay, 20 is how much percent in 50. Now we can, how much percent? Look at here, how much percent? We can find a percentage here. The numbers are given. Now we can find a percentage. Okay, 20 is, my name is Balu. Okay, my name is Balu. Now the Balu is depending upon Balu is my name. Okay, whenever is there, left of is the main key point, and the right already in 50. In 50 means comparing with 50. These are the key points, in and is. Is always upper side, that is a numerator. After that in, right of in, we can take, that is a denominator. 20 is 20 అనేది, 50 in what percent. Now the numbers are given. Now we can find a percentage. For the finding of percentage, we can do what we can do, multiply with 100, that is 51s, 52s, that is 40%, that is 40%. Okay na, that is 40%. Okay, next question. 30 is how much percent in 20. 30 is how much percent in 20. ఒకటి గమనించండి, మనం ఫ్రాక్షన్ అంటే ఎప్పుడైనా ఎలా తీసుకుంటాం, ఆల్వేస్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అనగానే న్యూమరేటర్ చిన్నగా, డినామినేటర్ పెద్దగా తీసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, ఫ్రాక్షన్ అంటే ఎప్పుడు అలాగే ఉంటుంది కదా, సేమ్ పర్సంటేజ్ కూడా. ఇన్ ద ఫ్రాక్షన్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ న్యూమరేటర్ ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ దట్ ఆఫ్ డినామినేటర్, సమ్ టైమ్స్ డినామినేటర్ ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ దట్ ఆఫ్ numerator. In the fractions also exactly 100% is there, that is called as a full percent, that is a cent percent, 1%. Now the percentage is less than that of 100. Okay, sometime it is getting more than that of 100 also. Look at here, 30 is means we can take it as a numerator in, that is we can take a denominator into 100. 21s, 25s, that is 150%. Okay, don't think it is always comes 100% equally. Sometimes it getting less than 100, equal to 100, greater than 100. Okay, look at it, here it is less than that of 100, here it is more than that of 100. This is depending upon the comparison, which number we have to take it as a numerator, which number we have to take it as a denominator. That is the main thing in the percentage. Okay, always comparative number, comparison number, take it as a denominator. What is the number required? Okay, what is the number required? We can take it as a numerator. So for suppose okay, behalf of this I will give you another question. Suppose Balu got 250 marks out of 300. Suppose Balu got 250 marks out of 300. In this type of questions, okay, always the exam is highest marks. In the exam, highest marks is total tally marks. Suppose we got a cent percent means full marks, we can get exactly 100%. In the examination, is there any person getting a more than that of 100%? No chance. Okay, look at here, what is the required? Now the exam, okay, suppose Balu got 250 marks out of 300. The teacher asking to Balu is how much percent you got, okay, the teacher asking that, we need a percentage now, with they asking percentage. Okay, what is the marks we can, Balu got 250 out of 300. Out of means in the 300 we got a 250 marks. Okay, in 300, that is the in means comparative. Now we need a percentage, that is 25, sorry, 0 now 250 by 3. It is a mixed, sorry, it is a improper fraction. 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 10, that is 83. 1 by 3 will be the our percentage, Balu's percentage. in the examination always the pass percent is less than or equal to that of 100, not greater than 100 in examinations. That is depending upon your marks. Okay, depending upon marks, always equal to 100 or less than that of 100. Suppose Balu got 300 marks out of 300. What is the percentage? 300 out of 300, that is 300 by 3, that is 1 cent percent. The always getting of marks is equal to 100 or else less than that of 100. Okay, now next. Now comparing of percentages. Suppose two persons are compared in a weight. What is the words we can use? Less than or else greater than. Less than or else greater than. Okay. The same questions here. 20 is how much percent in 50? This is the basic question. 20 is how much percent less than 50? Next one. 50 is how much percent in 20? Next. 50 is how much percent greater than 20? Okay, with the help of two numbers. Don't confuse, Nana. That's why I am giving a two numbers same. In the four questions give a same type of numbers, but the questions is totally different. Four questions are totally different. Okay. 20 is means always take it as a upward in 50. Now 50 is in 20. Same. 20 is less than. Here it is the word less than. Okay. 20 is less than that of 50. How much less? 30. Here 50 is greater than 20. How much greater? 30. Now 20 ni kanukovali. 20 is how much percent less than 50? Okay, the words like less than and greater than came. In the answer, the numbers shown in the question not applicable. 20, 50 is there. Here also 20, 50 is there. The same numbers are taken. We are taking same numbers. Now we cannot take the same numbers in this question. Whenever less than, greater than like that came. Less than, how much less? That is 30 less compared with 50. That is 60% less. Compared with 50, that is 60% less. Now moved into this. 50 is how much percent? Already this is over. That is 250%. Now 50 is how much greater first? How much greater means 30 greater. How much percent greater? That is 30 by comparing with 20 into 100. That is 150%. This is the difference between direct question and less than greater than. Okay. For the less than and greater than we can do in another way without a confusion also. Okay, I will explain. This one and this one is over. Okay, now look at here. 20 is how much percent in 50? 40. How much less than that of 100? This one? 60. Okay, without a minus also we can take directly this one. After that we have to minus. Okay, without a confusion, 20 is 50 into 100, that is 40. The examiner not asking what the percentage. Now here it is less than. Less than means 100 minus 40, 60. In the same way 50 is How much percent means like that? 250%. 250% of the examiner greater than. How much greater than that of 100? That is 150 is greater than that of, 250 is greater than that of 100 by 150 percentage. 150 percentage. Okay na? This is the comparison of percentages. And less than or greater than. Okay. Okay. In the same percentages also, sometimes the marks is increased, sometimes the marks is decreased, like that. Okay. For suppose first increased by 20% and then decreased by 20%, like that questions are came. Okay. I will give you one example here. First, 200 is increased by 20%. 200 is increased by 20%. Then the resultant anta. Okay. 200 is increased means how much increased? 20%. That is 40. 40 is the first number, 200. Resultant is 40. Increased or decreased? Increased means plus. That is take it as direct 240. This is the basic method. For this one we can do 2 steps. Without replacing of these 2 steps, we can do same. What is the number? 200. The 200 is always, 200 is a number, that is a full number. We can take it as a cent percent. That is 100%. Now the number is increased by 20%. 100 plus 20, 120. 200 into 2, that is 240. Okay. This method or this method, or else go method. What is the number first? 200. That is equal to 100% is 200. Now it is increased by 20. Increased by 20% means 20% increase. What is the number? Can do a cross multiplication also, depending upon the question. Next in the explanation of questions, depending upon the questions, we are using these 3 tricks. Okay. Sometimes basic method, sometimes this plus method, sometimes in the cross multiplication method. 120 into 200 by 100, that is 240. Okay. 240. For suppose in the place of increased by, 200 is decreased by 20%. What is the result? What is the result? Em change cheyali. Now this is the same. Now with the help of increased, this is decreased means minus 200 minus 40. What is the resultant? What is the resultant? 200 minus 40? 160. Whenever coming to this one, first of all 200 is there, 20 is less, decreased. 20 minus means 80 by 100, that is 160. From this method 20 is minus now, that is 80% only. What about 80%? That is 80 into 200 by 100, 160. Whenever the number is decreased, whenever the number is increased, like that. Okay. In this question only one number is increased or decreased one time. Suppose the same number increased 2 times or 3 times or 4 times, like that. What can we do? Okay. Manam aim cheyali. Okay. Next, overall change. That is overall change means, for suppose a same number one time increased, one time decreased, like that there. Okay. whenever like that, what can we do? With the formula is there, or else in a percentage also there. That is over all change. What is the formula overall change? That is x plus y plus xy by 100 plus xy by 100. What is the x? What is the y? X is percentage increased. Next, y is also percentage increased. Percentage increased. In this one, x, y, we are taking a here also plus, here also plus. That's why x is percentage increased, y is percentage increased. For suppose in this formula, overall change is equal to x minus y minus xy 100. Okay, plus into minus, we can get a minus. This is the basic. For suppose, okay, I will explain this one. What is the x? Percentage increased. What is the y? Percentage decreased. Look at here, whenever plus, there is no sign here. Without a sign, it is take it as a plus. Plus తీసుకుంటున్నాం, minus తీసుకుంటాం. Whenever plus, whenever minus. Plus when taking it as a increased, minus is decreased. Depending upon increased and decreased, we can take a signs. Whenever plus, increased, minus, decreased. Sometimes the number is decreased twice. First is minus and the second time is minus. What we can do? Okay. Whenever x is also decreased, y is also decreased. What is the formula? 2 times decrease. X also decreased, y also decreased. What is the formula? Minus x minus y plus xy by 100. Why? Because minus here, minus into minus, plus, like that. Depending upon the question, we can use a formula like this. Okay now? This is the important method in percentages and profit and loss and simple interest, compound interest. With the help of this, we can do a problems in a easy way. Okay, these are the introduction in percentage chapter. With the help of these simple tricks, not only a tricks, with the help of these methods, we can do a problems. Okay, we can whenever the problems are in difficult way, we can convert it into a easy way. How? The way of studying of question, question చదివే విధానాన్ని బట్టి, with the help of comma and full stop. Okay, comma full stop తో మాత్రమే మనం క్వశ్చన్ ని నీట్ గా చదవగలం. ఓకే, సేమ్ ఈ పర్సంటేజ్ లో కూడా టోటల్ 90 క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే, ఈజీలో 30, మోడరేట్ 30 అండ్ హార్డ్ లెవెల్లో 30 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.